Buongiorno. Welcome to Mitch's, that's me, Chef Capalbo's kitchen. Tonight, we're gonna make a dessert. A dessert that is so grape, so grape, so grape. It's going to make your heart go boom, 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 boom. It's going to be good, eh? Yes. Well, what am I talking about? I'm talking about the grape malt. Nobody in America has it. It is in Italy. You call it Italian ice. They have it in other places. I do not know why you have it not here in America. But we are going to make it. So, what do we use? Ingredients. Here we go. Not the coffee maker. We do not have the coffee maker. What we have is a malt machine. As you can see, it holds ice cream in there and stuff. Nothing in there now, right now. But you see, we have the Welch's Concord grape juice. Yes, you must have that. And you must have the malt. Carnation Malted Milk Original. You don't want the chocolate one. You want this one. And you need a tablespoon, which is right here. My ice cream scooper for ice cream. My choice for tonight is Vaughn's Signature Home-Style French. No, not French. It's vanilla-flavored ice cream. If you love ice cream, that is the one to go with. Well, I love all types of ice cream, but they all work. Now, you are asking, okay, you have this home-style ice cream. I like to add a little bit of pure vanilla extract to that. It's very expensive, so use it wisely. Okay. So, how do you make it, you say? I'm going to give you the ingredients right now. So you may want to write these down. There you have the ice cream. Looks delicious, no? Yes. Okay, what you're going to do is put in 4 scoops of vanilla ice cream with your ice cream scooper. A little bit of vanilla extract, I would say teaspoon. The malted milk, you're going to put in 2 tablespoons. And then we're going to just have to experiment with that. I haven't used that yet. I would say half cup, because this makes two malted milk malts. So there we go. I turn off the light now. Okay, I'm going to put the ingredients in. Not the fruit. The fruit is the frosting, our ice machine. The refrigerator is more like the freezerator. Anyways, so if you can hold on, I'm going to put the ingredients in. I told you them. I'll write them down in the description. But this is something new to America. I do not know why, but they do not like to make them here. They say that it kills a dog. Why would you give ice cream to a dog? You want to give grape juice to a dog? No animal. You just you're human. You don't need it for nothing else, just for your belly. The belly is what you want. Okay. So, okay. We're going to go ahead and put in the ingredients, and you'll get to see all the yum. Okay, so you see I put away the ingredients now. So, here we are. I all have everything in there. By the way, I made a mistake. We put in 5 scoops of ice cream. And that goes up to about here, as you can see. You can see on the ice cream can, the malt can, that it is getting cold from the ice cream. And the vanilla is in there. The only difference is if you were to make a malt, just a malt or a chocolate malt, instead of putting this in, you would put milk. But we're not going to use that. We are going to use the actual grape juice. Now, I read online that if you were to use real grapes, it wouldn't work because it would taste like water. I don't believe there is the ingredients on this. It should just be all grape juice. It's blurry, eh? just says Concord grape. It doesn't say what it is. So, we're going to experiment. Hopefully this turns out. I hope. Okay, let me put in my measuring cup here. I will put in a half a cup. Hang on. As you can see, I poured a half a cup. And now comes the fun part. We're going to pour it onto the ice cream. Ooh, that looks good, doesn't it? Oh yeah, I can't wait to taste that. Now you don't want it too mushy. So, that's where we go. Hopefully I do not get malt all over the camera. It would be very bad. Now you stick this up in here, like so. Oh, it's very thick. Yes, very thick. Now I've got two selections here. I think I am going to put it on section 2. We'll give it a little more speed. So here we go. Oh yeah, we need a little more there. So some mixing music I will add. Look how it turns nice and purple. Just like a grape juice should. You can put in more ice cream. It depends on how you like it. You want to mix it all around. I slow it down more. And I think that's it. I think I blew the fuse. So now we not make no more ice cream. It doesn't like it in here. But I think it's mixed up enough. So, there you have it. Let me put it on pause and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so here we are, ready to go. We have our glass, or Pilsner glass, whatever you wish to call it. And look at this. Now comes the fun part. We pour it in. Oh yeah, look at that. You see how thick it is. I did not make enough for 2 people. You can probably put in 6 or 7 scoops of ice cream, and then just bring up your the Welch's grape juice to maybe 3/4 of a cup, and make yourself a nice thing. You do not need to have a malt machine. You can have a blender. You can make it in a blender, or if you're poor like me, no. Anyways, you can also make it. Ooh, it's dripping. You can make it in. You can just go ahead and make it, and mix it by hand. And let me see how this tastes now. Now we come to the best part. We see how it tastes. Bon appetit. Let me see. Oh my God. It is grape. It is very grape. Very grape. I think this is the grapest thing I've ever had. And I shall call it Mitch's Malted Grape Malt. Or Chef Capalbo's Grape Malt. It is the grapest. Stupid. Anyhow, so I wish my cameraman was here so he could taste it. He is not here. I'm going to give some to my next door neighbor because she wants to try it, and my wife, well, she cannot have the malt. The malt gives her upset stomach. See, if you have upset stomach, you don't want to use that. You can also make it a grape shake, which is just don't put in the carnation. Once again, I will put the ingredients on the thing, on the video. Remember to subscribe down here, right there. Just make sure you subscribe to that for more great ideas by Chef Capalbo. Ciao!